Hi, this is my week 2 recorded update for my CSI 492 Capstone project. As of right now, the project started April 3rd and we're required to update it every week. Last week, all we had to do was the project charter. Give me 2 seconds. This is the project charter. We're pretty much creating a Android firewood app. This would allow anybody to quickly and easily order firewood. This is a quick description on it. Objectives, success criteria, funding assumptions, and then major deliverables, as well as a milestone schedule, which we have here. We were able to complete app analysis this week and project analysis last week. This report details it. We're designing the application to have two interfaces, one that lets the owner add products, which is going to be firewood, pictures and description, and then one that lets you order the wood. To do this, I've learned that Google offers a free database option called Firebase Database that allows you to store and sync data with no SQL cloud database. Data is synced real-time across all clients in real time and remains available when your app goes offline. The Firebase database is a cloud-hosted database. Data is stored as JSON and synchronized in real time to every connected client. Firebase database is built for and to work with Android Studio. This should allow me to upload a listing anywhere I am and allow any client to instantly see what I've uploaded and they could order it. A scenario would be if I'm on a job site, I could take a picture of the wood that we've just downed, upload it, and anybody that has the Firewood app could go ahead and instantly see the wood and choose to order it, and that would allow us to run right from the job site over to their address and drop the wood there versus having to drop it in our yard and then reload it at a separate time. Thank you very much for watching this update. I hope it was informational.